Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Miss Jessica, and today we're doing a cute little hot cocoa penguin. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is make a little bit of a U shape for his head. And then we're going to make little C's all across the top, and this is going to be the fluffy part of his little Santa hat. Now, if you'd like to do a different kind of hat, you're more than welcome to do. So I just do little C's all the way around, and then I go over the edge and start over at the top. Little C's, little half circles, little floofs, all the way around until he has his cute little hat rim. Then we just go up and over for his little Santa hat, and then I go on the underside of the little floof and then give him a little floofy ball on the other end. And this is just for a Santa hat. If you want to do a different hat, you are more than welcome to, or even just a cute little bow. So next I'm going to do his little scarf. So I'm going to go off to this kind of side of the bottom part of the head here, and I'm going to create a little half circle for the knot. And then I'm just going to follow all along the edge of the bottom of his head here, and that'll make his cute little scarf. Then I'm going to make some little scarf tails, so just bring it down and around. And you can do shorter ones if you want, but I like the longer ones. And I'm going to put a pattern on this a little bit later. Next, we're going to start on the cup of cocoa. So I'm going to do a nice little oval here, and that's going to be the top of our cup. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the handle, so that way it'll help guide us when we do our flippers. So bring it up and down, almost like a half heart. And then we do the inside, and then I just do a little line to connect it right there. Now that I have the handle for the mug, I can do the flipper and just make a little triangle, just like that. Then I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm going to do a swoop down and then connect and make it a longer triangle, and that's his other arm. And then down for the mug and just swoop around for the bottom part. Now I'm going to do the other flipper on the other side, just a line to connect it to the top, just like that, and there's the rest of his little flipper. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a pattern to my scarf. So I'm going to keep it pretty simple and just do a bunch of fun little stripes. You can do polka dots, you can do snowflakes, you can make it look like a scarf you have at home. It's completely up to you what you would like to do. Even if you wanted to do a matching hat and scarf, you definitely don't have to do the Santa hat and do a cute little set. Now that I'm done with my little scarf pattern, I'm going to go ahead and do his face. So I'm just going to do a little seagull flat M shape for the top part of the penguin's head, and then 2 little circles for his eyes. And I usually just like to fill the eyes in with black and then erase out my circles. But if you're working with a pencil, you can do that. But if you're working with a marker, go ahead and draw the circles on the inside, so that way you know exactly if you want to give them like a sparkly eye. And then just a little triangle for his beak. And then I put a triangle on the inside to make it look like he has the top part of his beak and the lower part of his beak, but you can just do a triangle. And I always make sure that when I'm making like the cute little glittery highlighted eyes, that you want to put the glares on in the same place on either eye. And now comes the fun part, is painting our penguin. So you can use colored pencils, you can use paint, or you can use an iPad like I'm using. And we're just going to do black for our penguin. Now, if you would like to make a colorful penguin, making pink, purple, blue, you can definitely do that. But because I kind of wanted to do a more holiday, Christmas, winter theme, I just went with the black penguin. And then I did my red Santa hat, and then added my red into my stripes. And again, you can do whatever color you want. It definitely doesn't have to look like mine at all. And real quick, I'm going to put a little line on the inside of my little mug here, so that way there's the top of our coffee or hot cocoa. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add some green into the scarf. And then once I'm done coloring the scarf, I'm going to color my mug. And I'm just going to make my mug a green color too, just to keep it simple. But if you guys have a special mug, or your parents have a special mug, like if you're making this for a parent and they have their favorite coffee mug in the morning, you can definitely draw it to make it look exactly like the coffee mug that they use. I made it more of like a lighter green. And then I made my hot chocolate. And if you want to do a different drink, if there's a specific drink, you can also make it look like that as well. And then just yellow for my beak because he's a cute little penguin. And you can definitely add in some fun little details. Like I like to put these little highlights in just because I think it's fun. I kind of play around with where I put them. Because I'm on my iPad, I can just kind of mess around and have a good time with it. If you're doing like paint or something, you could always just grab a thing of chalk and put in fun little highlights, see if you like the placement, and then paint over later. Or you can just go for it with paint. You know, that's kind of the fun thing about art, is you're not supposed to, you know, be too afraid. You just have some fun with it. And then I put little swirls inside my hot chocolate, and you can even put little marshmallows inside there if you want to too. Just make a bunch of cute little cylinders and get some marshmallows in your hot chocolate. Or you can put a cinnamon stick or a peppermint stick. That's what's so fun about these little drawings, is that you can make it anything you want. You can switch up the hats. You could even make them have their own little tea party and do a teacup instead of a mug. And it's really just all your creativity. That's just your limit. There's nothing really set in stone with what you can create with this. I'm just gonna make little steams coming off my hot chocolate here. And you can make them look any way you want. I just do little squiggles because I think it's cute. And then I like to always paint in a background with something like this because he's just so darn cute, and it's cold outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna do a light blue with my background, so that way it kind of looks like it's wintry outside. And then I'm just gonna do little circles to make it look like snowflakes, and I'm gonna do them really random. I'm not gonna make it perfect or make it look a certain kind of way, because it's those, you know, inconsistencies that really make it feel hand painted and handmade. And if you're planning to do this as a painting on canvas, you definitely want to make sure that you paint your background first and then paint your character, just in case you have any mess ups. Then your character can cover up that. Like if we were doing a light blue and it went over into the penguin, the black would cover that up without any problems. So if I do this on canvas, I like to do pencil first and then Sharpie over it and then paint, so that way if the background paint gets on my character, the Sharpie can be seen through. All right, and there's our hot chocolate penguin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you know when we post our videos. I know it's been a while since we posted a video, and it feels good to be back. If you want to follow more of our Painted Kids paintings, go ahead and follow Miss Kate on her Instagram, and we'll have those links below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.